What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to create a cartoon illustration of Pinocchio. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then pull it back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same sized oval on the right. So line up the top, come all the way down towards the same height, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to add a fold just underneath the eyes, starting on the left, then this up and out. Now I pull the iris towards the inside of the eye, starting from the inside edge on the left, draw a circle, going all the way around, and then just tuck that in towards the bottom. Let's line this up on the right, going all the way around, and then tuck that in. Let's add two small black dots in the center of each eye. And then we'll move to the center and draw a circle for the nose, going all the way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth, starting underneath the left eye, curve this down underneath the nose, and I'll bend that up towards the right. Let's add a fold on the corners of the mouth. Now let's draw the bottom of the mouth, starting over on the left, come down towards the bottom, and then we'll bend that back up. Let's go to the center of the mouth on the inside, start with a point. Now we're going to curve the tongue going up, and then down toward the left and right side. And we'll fill the top area of the mouth in black. Now let's move out to the side and draw on the cheeks. From the left eye, we're going to step out, curve the cheek going out, come down. I'm just going to pull that in towards the bottom. Let's line this up on the right, going out, around, and then in. Let's connect the inside of the cheeks with a curve, coming down towards the bottom of the chin, and we'll pull that back up. Let's work our way up along the right side of the head, starting from the top of the cheek, curve around, bend that in towards the top. Now from here, we're going to sweep the hair coming down towards the left side. Go across, bend that down. I'm going to round this out on top of the left eye, and just pull that up towards the end. Let's go to the top of the left cheek, curve the head going up and out towards the top. Now let's add in the ears. From the top of the cheek, curve the ear going up, come around, and then back in. Let's add a fold on the inside, going up and out with a small curve. Let's add the eyebrow on top of the right eye and curve this up, come down along the side. I'm going to go back and close off the top of the hair, starting from the end, come in and go up, and round out the top of the head, go all the way across towards the right. And I'm going to pull this down on top of the right ear, curving around and just bending this in. Let's close off the left side of the head, starting on top of the ear, curve this out and then up. Now you want to place the hat in behind the head. Let's start on top of the left ear, curve the brim going out, round this out, and just bend that in. Just line this up on the right, going out, up, and then in. Now I add a curve going across the top of the head. Let's start on top of the left brim, going up, across, and we'll bring that down. Let's add a trim, starting on the left side, go across, and then bring that down towards the right. Now let's finish off the top of the hat, starting on the left, bend this across, and then up towards a point. Let's round this out, go out, and then down on the right. Let's add that feather, curving up and out, come back down, and then in. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the bow. We start underneath the chin with a circle, just tucking this up underneath. And then from the bottom, curve the bow coming down and out towards the side. Let's round out the side of the bow, going out and back in underneath the head. And then from the side of the knot, add a fold, going up and out. Now from the bottom point of the bow, we're going to step in, draw 2 straight angled lines coming down towards the bottom of the vest. And then from the bottom, curve this in and then up underneath the bow. Let's add a trim along the inside. Let's add a curve in between the vest, coming down and then up. From the hips, let's step in, curve this down and bend that in towards the side. Now I'm going to leave a gap and add a curve in the middle, coming down and then up. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now you want to round out the bottom of the shorts, going out and then up. Let's pull this up and in towards the side of the hip. From the inside corner of the shorts, we're going to step out, bend the leg going out and down towards the inside of the knee. Curve the leg coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down, and we'll bend that up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the foot, come up towards the top, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel, and then we'll bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's open up the top of the shoe, starting on the left, bend this in and then down. Now you want to round this out, go up and bend that out. Let's add that hinge across the knee, starting from this point, curve this up and then down on top of the feet. And we'll add a small circle inside that hinge. Let's go to the outside of the knee, bend the leg going out, and then up underneath the shorts. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start underneath the bow, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a half circle, coming in and out for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Let's go to the bottom of the thumb, draw the first finger, coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, go out, and then up. And then along the side, curve the third finger going out, bend the arm going up and in towards the top of the bow. From the top of the wrist, we're going to step up and draw the edge of the glove, going up and then down towards the outside. Now I'm going to add one more curve for the edge of the sleeve, going up and out on both sides. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. This is our cartoon illustration of Pinocchio. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.